Namaskarams and welcome back to Munch and Mull. Mango season has arrived. Raw mango and ripe mangoes have a host of health benefits, and today the way I am going to be using the raw mango is going to significantly increase the value of those benefits for us. So today I am going to be sharing 3 quick raw mango recipes where the raw mango is not going to be cooked at all. So keep watching till the end.
Mangoes, ripe mangoes, red mangoes, sweet mangoes.
Nature has given us mangoes in summer, so obviously they are good for our health during summers. So let's get going now. I have washed these raw mangoes and I am going to be grating them. I am not going to be peeling them because there's a very important reason for it. So keep watching. One of the first health benefits of raw mango is that it is highly rich in fiber content, so prevents constipation. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. Raw mango is especially rich in vitamin C, which aids iron absorption. And the peel of the raw mango is very high in fiber content compared to the pulp. So here we have our grated raw mango. I have used the Totapuri raw mango here, and look at the lovely green streaks which has come from the peel. So the first raw mango delicacy today is raw mango rice, a quick lunchbox recipe and tasty too. I am adding about 4 tablespoons of sesame oil cold pressed. You can use any oil, a tablespoon of mustard, a tablespoon of black urad, a tablespoon of chana dal, some groundnuts, about 2 tablespoons, 2 red chilies, a few curry leaves, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So this is the only heating involved, that seasoning is the only heating, and of course the cooked rice preparation. I have taken 3 cups of cooked rice. This is unpolished brown rice. Equal 3 cups of grated raw mango. Salt to taste. I am adding a little cane sugar, but that is optional. I like a little sweet tinge to the rice. That's all to it. Now just mixing. So here our raw mango rice is ready, and it's so simple to prepare. Now the next raw mango delicacy is raw mango raita to go with our raw mango rice. But before that, do you know that raw mango are packed with antioxidants? There is a particular antioxidant called mangiferin, which is the main ingredient in raw mangoes and ripe mangoes, and it has a host of properties, even anti-aging properties. So here for the mango raita, I have taken 1 cup of grated raw mango, 1 cup of carrot grated, 1 cup of sprouts, moong sprouts. You could use any vegetables of your choice like beetroot, cucumber, chopped coriander, chopped green chilies, salt to taste, and a cup of curd. So simple to make. The raita is ready. So here our green mango raita is ready to be had with the green mango rice. And our final recipe for today is a very cooling summer drink, that is Aam-panna, which involves no cooking of the raw mango. And do you know that raw mango, the mangiferin in raw mango has anti-cancer properties? Research has shown that it is actually helping in the non-proliferation of cancer cells. So we have the link of the research paper below the video. So here we go, Aam-panna. Generally Aam-panna is prepared by heating the mango. They pressure cook and remove the pulp, but this is much easier and no cooking involved, so it preserves the nutrients. So I have taken about 3 cups of grated raw mango, equal quantities of raw cane sugar, 2 tablespoons of roasted jeera powder, 2 tablespoons of dry ginger powder, and salt to taste, and we will be using warm water to grind this. So here our Aam Panna concentrate is ready. You can store this in an airtight glass jar inside the fridge. It is preferable to use this within a week as it is not heated, and the color is brown due to use of cane sugar. So here we go. So for a glass of panna, we can take about 2 tablespoons of the concentrate. You can alter the amount of concentrate depending on the taste that you want. If you want to add salt, you can add. Our refreshing Aam Panna is ready. Aam Panna is extremely good in summers as it prevents heat strokes and also replenishes the vitamins and minerals lost during sweating. It's so refreshing, the Aam Panna. And now coming to today's mull point. So why do you think I grated the raw mango with the peel? So the raw mango peel has so many health benefits, starting from high fiber content which helps to relieve constipation. It has a high quantity of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C, and mangiferin, which is the antioxidant, has potent anti-cancer property, anti-diabetic properties and anti-aging properties, because peel has so many nutrients packed into it, and the tendency is there to throw away the peels. Peels of cucumber, rich gourd, oranges, potatoes, carrots, all these peels can be used in a very productive way, and we'll definitely do a special episode on how to use peels. I like to use the peel. I buy organic vegetables and fruits, and today all the ingredients except the curd has been sourced from Biobasics. So let's enjoy this mango season with their peels. Does this inspire you to use the peels in vegetables and fruits wherever possible? Leave your comments below the video.
Mangoes, ripe mangoes, red mangoes, sweet mangoes.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I invite you to join me at Munch and Mull, where traditional flavors meet a green future. Do share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications of newest videos uploaded. Thank you and Namaskarams.